Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to add HTML page to your WordPress website. So first of all I will show you the HTML page. So it's on my document and here is the HTML page, and this is a landing page for his secret obsession affiliate product. So this is pure HTML. You will see it's index.html. So let's try to add this HTML page to our WordPress website. So this is my WordPress website and it hosted on the local host. So I will go to the dashboard and click on pages and click on add new page. I will just add the title. Let's add the title as attraction triggers. Alright, then I will just click on the publish button and publish the page. So if I visit the page, it's just an empty page. Now we have to do some edits. To do that, we have to go to the location of this WordPress website. In my case, I installed WordPress on the local computer, so I have to go to the htdocs. If you use any type of web server, you have to go to the cPanel and go to File Manager, then access the website files on File Manager. So in my case, it's custom theme. I just click on it and I have to go to WP content and go to themes. In themes, I have few themes, so I have to find the current activated theme. To do that, let's go to dashboard and go to appearance and themes. In here, our currently activated theme is 2022. So let's go to the themes folder, and in here, this is the 2022 theme. So I click on the theme, and in here I have to create a new page. To create a new page, I have to use a text editor. In my case, I will use Sublime Text, or if you are on the cPanel file manager, you can create a new file using the file manager. So in my case, I will open Sublime Text, and in Sublime Text, I will just press Command S, and now I have to go to htdoc. Here is the website folder and WP content, then themes 2022. Then in here I have to create a page. When you create the page, you have to start the page with page dash and then go to your website and go to the page that you created and click edit. Then go to the permalinks, and in permalinks you will see the slug. Just press Command A or Control A and Control or Command C to copy it. And now let's go to Sublime Text and paste the copied text. So it must start with page dash, and after that you have to add the URL slug of the page that you created. So let's go to Sublime Text and it will end with .php and press enter. And now I will just test this page. To do that, I will just enter text like hello and save. Then let's go to the website and click on preview. Okay, hello is printed, which means we successfully create the page, and now we have to add HTML content. To do that, I have to go to Finder, and here is the HTML file that we have to add to the custom PHP page. So I will just drag and drop it to Sublime Text like this, and in your case you have to open your HTML page with text editor and copy the URL content. So I will press Command A to select URL and Command C to copy. Then I will remove this hello part and paste the whole content like this. So now I will save this page and let's try it. Alright, we see the HTML content on our WordPress website, but we still don't see the images. In HTML landing page we see those two images, but in our WordPress custom HTML template we don't see any images. So let's add those images. To add those images, I will go to Finder and go to Attraction Trigger folder, and if I click on this image folder, I will see the all images. So I will copy this image folder and paste it into the 2020 theme folder. Just right click and click on paste item, and now we have image folder on our WordPress theme. So now let's go to our text editor, and on this text editor I go to the page that we created. Now I will press Command F and I have to find an image tag. So I will just search img. Let's add a bracket, then search img. Okay, here is one of image tag. So in the src attribute I will open a PHP tag like PHP and then close that tag, and I will just enter echo and space, then add the WordPress function. So this function name is get template directory URI, and close the bracket or close the function. Then I have to add the slash here and press Ctrl S. So let's go to the web browser and check the page. Okay, just refresh the page, and here we have the book image. If you didn't able to get the book image, just check this PHP WordPress function is written correctly, or if it written correctly and still you don't see the image, just copy a src tag and paste something like here and just press Ctrl S to save it. Now you will see this type of URL and check this URL is correct or not. If it correct, you successfully completed the work. So I will just remove this part, and we also have to find other image tag. In this case we don't have other image attributes, so we have to check it with /images, because images is our folder name, and when we search images text we can find other places that we have to replace. Actually we have to add images. Okay, here is the second part. So just add a PHP tag here, then close PHP tag and enter echo, then add the function get template directory URI and enter a slash here. Then let's refresh the page, and here we go. This is how you add static HTML page to your WordPress website. So try this method, and if it works, if it helps you, just comment below, and I will see you in next video.